Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. How have you been? I hope that you all are doing great and I am also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty God. My name is Porosh. You may know me if you are regular viewers of my video. And many of you know that I love to make English videos and I love to share my skills with people. So it's a Friday, so happy weekend to all of you. In the noontime, me and some of my friends, we decide to come here, and in the afternoon time, right now we have come here. And this place is located at the bank of river Buriganga. On my right, on my left, there is the river Buriganga, and it's really an amazing place. Although it's located in inside Narayanganj district, but not at the central part where I live. So I need to go. I need to come far away, and now I am having a very good time with some of my friends. The nature is really beautiful, as you can see. Look at the view. There are so many trees available, and this place is really beautiful. So over there is a ponds, and it's really a nice environment. And for me, Friday means to come somewhere where I have get some nature and spend my beautiful time. So that's why in every weekend I love to come different kinds of places. And I have a Facebook page and a YouTube channel where I usually upload my videos, and in order to make videos as well, there is a reason behind it to come here. So yeah, that's the thing. And these kinds of beautiful time give you opportunity to bond your friendship with your friend. So that's why whenever I get time and chance, I love to come here and enjoy my time. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing, and it's really amazing time, and I'm just enjoying with some of my friends. Okay, and the journey was really amazing when we actually coming here. That time was really enjoying. We crossed the river with a ferry, and that journey was really amazing, and I'm feeling very good at that time. Okay, so yeah, that's all for now. I don't want to make it more longer, and this is the way how can you practice your English. So always try to practice your English in this way, because you don't need to select any kind of topics. You just describe what you are actually doing or where you actually going, coming. That's the thing you can do. Okay, so that's my suggestion for you if you want to improve your English. And I always try to describe my daily activities in English and make videos and upload my videos. So yeah, that's the way how can you improve your English. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. All the best. Have a great day to all of you.